Okay, for our next example, or our next problem, a broiler chick is on a feed diet that requires a ration containing 18% CP. So, determine the amounts of corn bran, 8% CP, rice bran, 12% CP, and soybean oil meal, 44% CP, to form a 100 kilogram ration that meets the requirement of your chicks. So in this example or problem, it's a bit tricky, no? Because you can see na there are from 2 na ingredients kaganiha or 2 feedstuffs karon, we can see that there are 1, 2, 3 ingredients. So the corn bran, the rice bran, and the soybean oil meal. Okay, so karon in step 1, we should gather all the given. So of course, let us start with the desired CP. So based from the problem, no, so the ration should contain 18% CP. So ibutang natin dito 18% CP. Now for the ingredients, so let us put corn bran, rice bran, and soybean oil meal. So corn bran is 8% CP, rice bran has 12%, and the soybean oil meal has 44% CP. And then as for the total ration needed, so we'll need 100 kilograms. Total ration needed 100 kilograms. So that is our given. Now the tricky part here is that there are 3 ingredients, and sa square, no, if we draw a square, there can only be 2 ingredients allowed, 1 from the top and 1 at the bottom. So what will we do now? So going back sa tong given, you can say that among the 3 ingredients, the corn bran, rice bran, and soybean oil meal, no, so you can see that na ay duha ka klase na bran. So that being said, we should just combine the 2. I-combine nato si corn bran and rice bran into one mixture. So ang tawag nato ani sa mixture is ano na lang, siguro blend. So what will we do? How do we blend the corn bran and rice bran to become one feedstuff? So what we'll do is we take the 8% and then we add it with 12% CP from rice bran, and then divide it into 2. Kato duha man ni corn bran and rice bran divided by 2. So what will be the result? 10 plus 12 divided by 2, so 10%. So what do you mean 10%? So that only means na ang karing blend between corn bran and rice bran is 10% CP. So mana na siya tong butang karon diri ah. So let us put the blend sa step 2. The blend between rice bran and corn bran is 10% CP. So mana na siya tong ibutang karon sa taas. And then the soybean oil meal, or SBOM na lang para short. So soybean oil meal is 44%. Butang natin diri ah. And let us not forget, no, ang desired CP, which will be in the center of the square. So that's it. That is how we combine the 2 ingredients into one. Gitawag nato ni siyang blend and then SBOM. Now let us do the crisscrossing, no? So we subtract the 44 from SBOM or soybean oil meal from the 18%. So that would yield to 26 parts. And then for the blend between the corn bran and rice bran, so tawagan natin siyang blend, 10% CP. So we subtract the 10 from 18. So that would yield to 8, no? 8 parts. So as per usual, so this is the side for the blend, 26 parts. Kasi matingala mo, asa nagikan ang blend? So, blend is gikan siya sa corn bran and rice bran. Tapos, ato siyang gi-add ang duha ka CP nila 8 plus 12, then divided by 2 to get the final CP or the crude protein for the blend of 2 brans. Okay, so, and then we also have the 8 parts of the S-boom. So, the 26 and the 8 will be added together. So, 26 plus 8 is equals to 34. Now, the 34 now will become our total parts. And that is for our step 2. Now, for step 3, let us determine the percent of the blend and the S-boom, or the soybean oil meal. So for the blend, you can see, or let us take the 26 and then divide it into with the 34 total parts, and then times 100. 26 divided by 34 times 100, so that would be 76.47% blend. And dili pa ta, wala pa ta naman ani, okay? So since this is a blend between the corn bran and rice bran, so let us split the mixture or the blend. So 76.47, we multiply it with, since ang ibig sabihin aning blend is pantay ang ratio between the rice bran and the corn bran. Corn bran is 50% dito sa mixture between the blend, no? And then the rice bran is also 50%. So ibig sabihin they are 50-50. So what does that mean? Kung saan na siya pag split. So karon ang kaning 76.47 na percent sa blend will be split into 2. So 76.47 times 0.50, this is for corn, no? So that would yield to 38.24% corn bran. And then again, ulito na to ang equation since parehas lang man sila, but this one is for rice bran. 38.24% for rice bran. So mo na siya. This is only for step 3 ha. So that is for the blend na siyang bilugan. And then for the S-boom, let's take the 8 parts of S-boom and then divide it with the total parts, which is 34, and then times 100. So the answer would be times 100. Answer would be 23.53% S-boom. So to check, let us add the 76, this one, 76.47 plus 23.53. So it's 100%. So tama. Now step 4, let us determine the kilogram per feedstuff. So let's find the kilogram of the blend first. So let us take this one and convert this into decimal. So 0.7647, and then we multiply it with 100, which is the total ration needed. the answer would be 76.47 kilograms blend. Class, let us not forget ha ang unit, because if wala unit then sipyat tagamay, so malitad ako na siya. Then let's do the same thing sa tong gibuhat sa step 3 dari, but there is a step 4 is we determine the kilogram of the corn bran and rice bran within the blend, no? So 76.47 times 0.50 or 0.5, pwede rag 0.5, no? So that would be 38.24 kilogram corn bran. And then the same thing sa ato ang rice bran, 38.24 kilogram rice bran. So sa ato pa sa 100 kilos do na total ration natong buhaton, na ay 38.24 kilograms ito na corn bran, and then another 38.24 kilogram nga rice bran. So gimix ra na silang duha to get the 76.47%. So now let us proceed sa SBOM. SBOM, we take this number 23.53, convert it into decimal, so 0.2353 times 100 kilos, kanuti ko sa class, 100 kilos is equals to 0.2353 times 100, so 23.53 kilograms SBOM. So ato ni add ang duha sa karing sa kilogram sa blend ug sa SBOM, so that would take us or get us 100 kilograms, which is tama. Mo na natong total ration na kailangan, which is indicated sa given. Now to check if tama ba ring tanan natong gipangbuhat, no? So let us take this number. Okay? So that number, so 38, so dari ata mag-focus, no? So 38.24 times 8% ang sa corn bran, so 0.08 plus 38.24 times 0.12, this is for the rice bran, and then the 23.53 times 0.44. So ato nang i-add ang all, so 38.24 times 0.08, so this would be 3.06 plus 38.12, that is 4.59, and then plus 23.53 times 0.44, so that is 10.35. So ato ning i-total tanan, we should get 18%. So let's check, no? 3.06 plus 4.59 plus 10.35, and okay, we got the 18% CP, which is ato ang desired CP.